If hindi na lang ako pumasok tonight because I just think that not all um teachers will meet, di ba? Feel ko naman not all talaga. Alam mo yung sobrang sobrang ang laki ng bayad mo sa eskwelahan tapos sa absent ka lang. Pero talaga, like, God, it's very tiring. Pag yung like pasukan is parang hindi pa siya totally seryoso kasi ongoing pa yung enrollment, right? And nakakasira siya ng pagla-live, charas. Alam na lang, di ba, nakakasira siya ng pagla. Today is Tuesday. Isend mo Gcash mo sa akin. Ay talaga, sisendan niyo ako ng pera. Ilan? Dapat alam ko kung ilan. Lols. Hmm, loko to. Paano niyo ako, guys? Help me reach 80k. 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 Thank you, Rose. Where are you from, Rose? You look like a Korean. Do you understand? Are you Filipino? Do you understand English or not? Rose? Rose? I'm sorry if I'm turning off my what do you call this? My microphone because I was sneezing. I love you too. Can you help me reach 80k? Rose, help me reach 80k. Oo. Help mo na, Cash, 'di ba? Para naman happy tayong lahat. Do you have RC there? Kailangan na tayong like, kailangan tayong and na kasi malapit na yung end of the month and I still haven't reached my quota, guys.